What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today I'm sitting outside of my local Goodwill here. It's a 50% off day. Normally when that happens, I like to pick up jeans, sweaters, and jackets, things that are higher end or like higher price here for clothing. You know, for jeans, it'll probably be like True Religion, Levi's, Diesel. Those would be three brands I'd be looking for. Sweaters, I guess we'll see what's available. They're normally too expensive to buy in store unless it's special, but maybe right now it'd be a better time if they're half price. And then jackets. Sometimes jackets here can get up to 25, 30 bucks. So if I can get a really nice jacket for $15, or if I could get a pretty decent jacket that would maybe be $10 or $11 normally, you know, get it for $5 or $6, that would be a good deal as well. You never really know what you're gonna find, and hopefully they restocked the store, because I was here the other day and there wasn't a lot of stuff. So I'm hoping they just like cram the racks full, try and move inventory, and I might take a little bit of footage inside, but for the most part, I'll show you what I pick up after.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm bad.
All right, it's gonna be a bit of a snowstorm now, apparently, but $123.19. That's half price of everything that I got. Got quite a bit of stuff. There's a few things I'm definitely taking a chance on, but I'd rather take a chance on half price than full price for sure. But I was gonna show you in the car. I got a lot more than I thought, so I'm gonna go home. We can go through everything, and hopefully we can beat this little bit of a snowstorm. I don't think it's supposed to snow. I didn't really even actually know it was supposed to snow at all, so hopefully this is just a temporary thing.
On the attack, baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.
All right, you can see I've got a lot of stuff behind me. We're gonna first go over the one-offs, and then the rest we can kind of look at the price a little different. I think I've only got two of these. So I'll tell you the price, and then everything is half off, right? So Nike Golf Polo, I think these are both dry fit. Okay, this one is $7.79, so half off, $7.79. Didn't find a lot of polos. It's another Nike dry fit. Try to hold it up so you can see. Okay, so only two of those, only one jacket. It was $22, so half off at $22. Okay, this one is a one of the ladies who worked there said, hey, tried that on this morning. It's a Coach. Okay, I don't know much about it. It's like a quilted type jacket. I don't know what it's going to be worth. I think it's going to be worth more than $10, which is cool. Might try this one on for myself. They wanted 16, so it's half a 16. I did pick this one thinking that it was probably going to be more for me potentially. It's a Lululemon. I've never owned anything Lululemon before, but I know it is expensive. I think it's like a 2X, so I'm hoping it fits me okay. If it's too big, that's okay. If it's too small, I need to eat less food, which probably I need to do that anyway. So now let's get into the jeans. The jeans should be really easy to figure out too, because it's $9.49, so roughly just under $5 a pair, right? I'll throw the exact number up, but took a chance on these, okay? Nudie jeans. This particular one is straight leg Sally. Okay, I got one, two. I just picked these up because they're brand new in tags. I did a quick search. It looked like they could be worth maybe 35 bucks a piece. So I'm filming this after the fact, but I actually want to show you this. This is the company here, Nude Jeans. We're gonna go to Skinny Lin because I got 4 pairs of these. If we go down here, the price is like $250 Canadian. I was pretty surprised, definitely very surprised about this. And even though in store I looked quick, could find a couple sold for 30, those were used. I actually don't see any sold ones on eBay, but I do see some used ones listed for 65 bucks and some sold ones all over the place. I decided to list mine for $95 and see what happens. You know, I think there were some like $80 ones that sold used, so I think 95 is fair. So I just wanted to add that in there because when I was filming this, I really didn't know much about them at all. Skinny Lin. I don't know anything about this brand, so if you know anything about it, let me know. Brand new with tags again. This one is Skinny Lin. Good sizes are decent sizes too. 33s. This one is a 32. You know, what is this one? This is a Skinny Lin as well, size 30. So I took a chance on these because I don't know the brand really. This is a Skinny Lin as well, size 30, 38. Okay. So I didn't really know anything about those jeans in particular. Now these jeans, purposely picked them up, right? But not worth a ton of money, but they're good sellers for me. So same thing, these jeans all cost $9.49, half off of that. Pair of 505s, always sell 505s, not for a lot of money, but I'm gonna pick them up anyway. These ones need to be cleaned. They've got some lint on them. These are a pair of black 550s. Always seem to sell these. If I pick them up that cheap, I'm not gonna leave them there because I know they sell for me. 505s again. These ones are 40-34. So a bigger pair. See, I always think the bigger pairs do better, but you know. And these are a pair of 505s right here. Same thing. All the jeans, same price. They're $9.49, half off of that. So, you know, coming in at just under $5 a pair. All right, we're gonna move on to the sweaters here. I might just toss them all right here and go through them this way. So all the sweaters are $8.79, so half off of that. So pretty good price, right? This is a women's Nike hoodie. This one's size medium, maybe. Size small, actually. Sorry, size small. This is a men's. I think the men's are the same too. Yeah, $8.49. This one is a Notre Dame hoodie. This is a Notre Dame one. Yep. It's also Champion. Okay. It's got the little Champion hit on the sleeve right there. Definitely worth $4 and change, I would think. Michigan State or Michigan football. A little bit of cracking in the graphics, but still, you know, it is Nike. This one has a note where the tag was cut, but I don't know. I still can figure out the size. Not a big deal. Not a great time of year for this, but I figured I'd pick it up anyway. It's an MLB Christmas sweater. Los Angeles Dodgers, you know, with all the hype about Los Angeles this year with Ohtani and all the players they've picked up. Wow, right? I think that'll do good eventually. I'm willing to pick it up cheap. This is for local people, obviously. London Knights, but another Christmas shirt. You know, for $4 I'll pick that up. Most likely somebody in my family would love this, including my wife or father-in-law. And then we have this one is going to be a different price. It's $5.79. It's Ducks Unlimited, just a little vest. It's like a fleece or polyester vest, which everything wants to stick to. And this fabric anyway, just kind of basic. I don't think it's worth a lot, maybe $30, but definitely worth paying a couple of dollars for. Now the last items, I think this is the best, and I hope you stuck around to the end, because the very end, the last one, I'm gonna have a hard time selling. I might not even sell it, but there's some really great t-shirts. We'll just start here. Just the North Face. All t-shirts are $4.79, so $2, let's say $2.50 roughly. It's a little bit less than that, but we'll just say that for the sake of the video right now. North Face, I'll have to figure out a year on this one. It's a little bit older of a tag. It's the All Style tag, but anyway, size large, Tom Petty. If it's not worth a ton of money, I'll throw it in my booth because I'm looking for some band tees in my booth. This one is 2009, and it's actually on the Philco tag. Okay, it's the Johnny Cash. You know, I think we've all seen that one before. That's a cool one, but it's cool that it's actually, this one's not super old, but 2009. Definitely could sell that on eBay or in the booth. A lot of the music shirts, band shirts, I was kind of thinking about doing that, but I don't know. Vintage Toronto Blue Jay shirt. Very cool. Don't remember if there was a year on this one or not. No, but that's definitely an old logo. And you can see it again down there. It's on a Majestic. Cool shirt. I've sold this shirt a handful of times. It's not worth a ton of money, maybe 20, 25 bucks, but it's cool. It's the Mountain. It's a pug. This one has the year of 2011. I always like the Mountain t-shirts. This one I just picked up because I thought it was cool and it was old. It's not single stitch, but it's older for sure. It's like a farming t-shirt. Thought that was interesting. Now, I don't know who this is, but I picked it up with some other rap tees, like hip hop or rap tees that are in here. So Dilla, who is that? I don't know. This could be a really good shirt. Not something I'm super into. Maybe it says smaller down here. It says something. No, it doesn't. Anyway, I'm sure I'll find a comp for that one and throw it up. I do think this is going to be good. I didn't really look up much of this stuff while I was in there. This is a really small shirt. It's a men's small or women's small. I'll have to figure that out. It's a Thrasher shirt. Not a great size, but when you're paying a couple dollars for it, I'll take a chance on it. So this is one of the other wrap ones. This is from 2014, M&M. Kind of fun. It's not the best size ever. Is it a small or a medium? Try to take a peek here. Might be cut. No. Oh yeah, it's a small. Still, pretty cool. Somebody will want that, the Monster Tour. This is a Rise Against t-shirt. Again, I think this is a tour one. May the 4th be with you. You know, it's got like a little Star Wars thing in the back, 2003. Very cool. Now this last one, I don't know if I'll be able to, if it fits me, I don't know if I'll be able to sell it. If it doesn't fit me, I still don't know if I'll be able to sell it because I think it's cool. Somebody definitely tie-dyed this themselves. It's an extra large, but it's Skydome. Where the world comes to play. You know, that must have been their catchphrase when they opened it up. How cool is that? Like I said, I don't know that it was originally tie-dyed like this, but I don't know that I even care. I think this is awesome. I sent it to my wife. She also said, I absolutely love it. And so do I. So I think all in all, I did pretty good. You know, what do you guys think? There's a lot of stuff here for, you know, 120, 123 or whatever exactly I paid, but there's definitely a lot of stuff here. I think there's some pretty good value. So overall, I was pretty happy with the 50% off at Goodwill. I went first thing in the morning, 9 a.m. I don't know how important that really is because they're bringing out new racks all day. You know, when I was there, I was there for about an hour and they were still bringing out new stuff. I actually got a few things right off the rack, like the Coach jacket came directly off the rack. That was the lady had said to me, or the woman that works there, had said, hey, I actually just tried that on. It didn't fit me. I'm like, oh, well, it is a nice jacket. Right behind me here, I'm setting up for a Whatnot show. This is my second Whatnot show. Hopefully I can update you later this week how it goes. It's going to be the horror DVDs. Now, these ones, I'm going to do a $5 start. I did a $3 start on the cassette tapes and it went okay. I don't know if $5 is too much or not. That's what I'm going to start with, see how it goes. I don't have as many bookmarks to this show either, so it might not go as good. I really don't know, to be honest. And if they don't sell, they're just going to go to my booth anyway, so that's not a big deal. That was the original plan with those. I just thought, hey, I've got a whole bunch of these. Why not run a show on Whatnot? So anyways, if you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we will see you soon.